how to turn on ringer on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on ringer on your iPhone. So let's dive right in. What you need to do is go to your settings. This is the first way. You can scroll down, go to sounds and haptics. There you can see a slider like icon. You can just drag the slider and you can turn on the ringer. Or what you can do is on the left hand side, you can see a switch. So you just need to move it and you can see ringer has been turned on. So that's how you turn on ringer on your iPhone. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.